Hello there and welcome to 2695 Greenwich. We're at apartment 404. We're really close to Union Street as well as Chestnut. We've got a nice one bedroom here. So go ahead and step on in. This is our main room here. Nice bay windows, lots and lots of light. Cabinetry as well. We've got views of Telegraph Hill, and then if we can peek out the windows here, you'll see Alcatraz, Marin Headlands, and then we go on over Palace of Fine Arts and the Golden Gate Bridge. So beautiful views from here, really close to the water, down by Crissy Field. Lots of great places to go and enjoy the sunshine. We'll go ahead and step on into the bedroom. Again, same big bay windows, lots and lots of light, same fantastic views. You can always get a view of all of the people out on their sailboats. Always kind of fun to see. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on in. There's a really, really nice big walk-in closet here. Shelving drawers, lots of space, and then we'll go ahead and step on into the bathroom. There's two doors into the bathroom, one from the hallway and then one from the closet in here. Single. And then before we step into the kitchen, we'll take a look into another nice big closet. So there's lots and lots of closet space in here. And then we'll go ahead, here we are into the kitchen, enough room for a nice table. And again, lots of cabinetry, gas stove, dishwasher, nice very, very large refrigerator. And then we'll take one more step into the bedroom, into the living room here, so that we can see those great views again. It's a gorgeous day too, so if you can come here on a sunny day, you will definitely get the full effect. So thank you so much for joining us. Hope you can come down and visit soon. Bye.